Welcome to OzDive. Today we'll show you how to log a dive and let the AI do the work. Open your logbook and start a new dive. It all starts with your photos. Drop them in and the date, time and location fill straight from each shot. Now the magic. One tap on AI Analyze and OzDive reads every photo. It names the marine life it finds and adds each one to your species list. It even writes the dive, a first-person narrative drafted into your notes. And every photo is tagged, so your whole gallery stays searchable. Tap Capture GPS, and your conditions fill in automatically: water temperature, wind, swell, and visibility. Everything the AI suggests is yours to edit. It gets you most of the way there. You stay in control. Just give your dive a name and log it. And it's saved to your logbook, narrative and species included. And in your photo gallery, OzDive has already sorted it by country and by every species the AI identified.